Hello everyone, welcome to Archa's Kids. In today's video, we are going to learn plurals, words ending with s. In this video, we are going to learn how to form plurals of the words. What are plurals? Plurals means many. When we add s in the end of the word, then it becomes plural. For some words, it is very easy to form plural. We can do it just by adding s in the end of the word. We are going to see few such words in this lesson. But there are some words for which it is not enough to just add s to form plural, like one mango, many mangoes. Here we have added es to the end of the word. Did you see how the spelling changed in the end? But in this lesson we will see only those words which can be made plural by adding only s in the end of the word. Let's see the words now. Caps, caps. Hats, hats. Cats, cats. Hens, hens. Pots, pots. Dots, dots. Cups, cups. Nuts, nuts. Frogs, frogs. Bells, bells. Let's see some more words like this. Bats, rats. Pigs, clubs. Claps, drums. Pins, wells. Crabs. Practice some more words with the help of your parents. Till then, happy reading. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.